Hello, if you're here watching this video, it's because you want to know if SlimCore works, if it's worth it, if it really helps with weight loss, and if it's safe to take the SlimCore. So, stay to the end to receive all the information about the most innovative slimming product launched on the market. Before, I would like to point out to you that you do not buy SlimCore off the official website of the producer, as this can lead to counterfeit products that will not have the same active process as the original product, so don't be fooled. To make it easier for you, here in the video description, I'm putting a safe link for you to buy SlimCore safely. Now, I want to point out to you that I discovered SlimCore by accident on the internet, searching for a product that really helped me lose weight because I'm 35 years old and I've always been a woman who struggled with the scales all her life. I used to have a relationship with food where I would eat out of boredom, actually. And anytime I got anxious about something, I would just run and eat everything I could. And I always felt bad after, but it kept happening again and again. So, especially after I was 30 years old, the bills started to come in, and I couldn't lose weight even though I went on numerous diets. As you may know, after 30s, your metabolism slows down, and the rate at which you break down food decreases by 10% each decade. It's just nature, so yes, losing weight is not going to be as easy as it was when you were 20, but it's not impossible, it's just different. It was only when I started a deep research and found the SlimCore that I found a totally innovative and unusual proposal. But I identified with symptoms where my brain just wanted to eat the hyperpalatable foods, and there was nothing to do to avoid the rebound effect after a restrictive diet. So, on top of being just a tasty gummy, it also had the natural active ingredients that turn off your desire to eat these foods. It sounded too good to be true, of course, but I decided to give SlimCore a chance, taking into account that it guaranteed to give my money back if it didn't work. So, that was when I started taking it, and in a matter of 2 days I could already see that I had less appetite, and my body had already lost a few pounds. I thought it was wonderful, and after that month I bought more, and after 3 months I managed to reduce my waist by 8 centimeters. Of course, the treatment is not a miracle either. Taking advantage of the fact that my desire for hypercaloric foods had reduced, I started to eat better, and I encouraged myself to do light exercises, because honestly I don't like physical activity, and today I feel very good about myself. I can tell how it's good to finally look at myself in the mirror and to like what I see and just be at ease about my appearance. That's why I made this video, to help you with the information you need and tell you that you just need to give it a chance to see for yourself if it works or not. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and share it with others. And remember to only buy it through the website in the description box.